Battaglia continues. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are back in the courtroom. Everything started from there. The dispute between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard in their defamation case, which was supposed to be resolved after the initial ruling, is reopened. Heard filed a lawsuit at the beginning of this week, contending, first and foremost, that the proceedings never should have taken place and that they never should have taken place in Virginia because that state, in the opinion of Heard's attorneys, prevented them from being removed effectively. The Hollywood Reporter now has information on the process by which Johnny Depp and his attorneys will appeal the case as well as the initial ruling. In the May court case, Johnny Depp received more than $10 million, while Amber Heard received $2 million as the star of the Pirates of the Caribbean movie. According to Depp's lawyers, the only witness who supported Heard's claims did not speak directly on Depp's behalf. Rather, the statement was made by the attorney himself, who works independently as a contractor. In their appeal, the Depp team argues that it makes no sense to hold clients accountable for the attorney's illegal actions when they are unable to oversee the details of their work. There is a statement from Johnny Depp's lawyer, Adam Waldman, that is being discussion. In it, Waldman refers to Amber Heard's domestic abuse allegations and refers to them as insolitory. While the jury in this case was siding with Depp, Waldman's declarations gave Heard the only victory, which manifested itself in the $2 million Depp's representation received. The argument seems to center on the fact that Depp did not make the statement, rather, it was one of the other attorneys over whom Depp has no control. As a result, fame shouldn't be inferred from this. Johnny Depp is not the only person who has filed an appeal. Amber Heard has also filed an appeal regarding the May decision. Due to the fact that Heard's statements were personal opinions and are regarded as protected speech, Vedetta Aquaman and its supporters argue that no proceedings should have ever taken place. According to their attorneys, all contested statements cannot be proven to be untrue since they reflect the subject's specific points of view that Judge Heard had at the time they were made. The main argument in favor of this claim is that Johnny Depp benefited negatively from the venue of the proceedings because of the fact that the trial took place in Virginia, while Amber Heard suffered as a result. Heard's attorneys contend that if the case had been brought in California, which has strict anti-SLAPP laws, the matter would never have come before a judge. The procedure took place in Virginia, which limited his ability to persuade witnesses to give testimony in his favor. Regardless of the outcome of the appeals court case, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are still parties to a legal dispute after a year and a day. Both actors have projects that will be released soon. Heard will play Mira in Aquaman, The Lost Kingdom, while Depp will play Louis XV in La Favorite. For the second year in a row, the former couple will be expected to appear in public somewhat more frequently than on a movie screen. Depp and Amber rose to fame on the set of the 2009 film The Rum Diary, left the project in 2015, and were later embroiled in a controversy that lasted for a full month, with both parties accusing the other of nepotistic behavior. The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard scandal has everyone scratching their heads. At one point in the process, it became clear that Elon Musk, the beloved actor, would not be appearing as was initially anticipated. Actors' attorneys have described the afterlife of criminals due to their own fault, with a focus on drug and alcohol abuse, will be transformed into a true monster. Celebrity actor Johnny Depp filed a lawsuit against former lovers in a U.S. court, accusing Heard of fabricating domestic violence allegations against him in order to advance her own career. Avocatiai Louis Heard, in the interim, o sustenat ca accusatal sunt adeverit si ca er dreptal sa si exprime opinia, ir tot si adorit domnal Depp sa faca a fos sa humalisca p amber, sa o bantui, sa tu destruga carriera. According to The Guardian, Depp allegedly provoked a fight in front of Heard in 2016 after throwing a phone at her in their Los Angeles home.